In this video I am going to tell you how you can add a drop down list in Google Sheets. So I am on my Google Sheet now. You can see these are some names and numerics. So I will select this cell where I want to add a drop down. So I will just right click on this and I will scroll down, and there's an option of drop down. Just tap on this, and herein you can see this apply to change to this row or column. You can select any one of these. You can select the criteria, you can choose any one of them. So I will select just drop down. I will change the color for my options. I will select mine, type it names, again select this another color, and you can type any one of them. You can add more items if you want. If you don't want, just delete it. And if you want, if you can also go for advanced options, and herein there are other options as well, like display type, chip, arrow. So I will select chip only, it is fine for me. You show warning or reject the input, you can select any one of them and click on done. So now you can see drop down is now appeared, name and dates. So you can add more, or if you want to edit, just click on edit button, and you can again go here and you can change anything, remove rules or do anything, any other changes you want. I hope friends now you will be able to add drop down in Google Spreadsheets. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.